Hey, I'm Troubleshoot. I'll be showing you True Grit for Handshake. In this, we need to get an Antique Revolver and bring it back. Let's go ahead and do that now. Now that we're on the way, just so you know, we will need a key in order to complete this task. So True Grit, it tells us to recover an Antique Revolver, and we get this from a room in the hotel. We'll need the Hunter's Paradise Motel Room 102 key, which you can get by killing bots in the area. I'll show you where. So map, zooming into Hunter's Paradise all the way up here. The hotel or motel is all the way over here. All we need to do is kill bots in this area, but I'm pretty sure anything even in the firing lanes will probably give you the keys as well. It's just a matter of getting enough bots down and looking for the key so you can hopefully find it. That also being said, if you happen to find other players here, they may have already opened up the door, so when you're coming here, just make sure to check to see if it's not already open already before going hunting for the key. So coming all the way down south here at the motel area, with the Paradise 102 key, we can get into this building over here. However, as you can see, the door's already open as another person has come in here. So we can actually piggyback off that, enter this room, and we can get what we need done without actually having to find the Hotel Room 102 key. Now, over here by the bed, you'll find this item, case with revolver. You just need some space in your inventory, and you should be able to pick it up. The key that you're looking for is this one over here, Hunter's Paradise Motel Room 102 key. So we can take the revolver, and there you go. The case with the revolver takes up 4 spots. There we go. Coming in for a landing, let's go ahead and hand in our tasks. Vendors, Handshake, and now True Grit, we can hand over the revolver and complete the quest. So thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.